Hello friends, welcome to Sign YouTube channel. I am Abhishek. Friends, in this video we are going to see what are the different types of mortgage loans. So friends, before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification whenever I upload a new video. So friends, let's start now. Many types of mortgage loan exist and they are designed to appeal to a wide range of borrowers' needs. For each type of mortgage listed below, you will see its advantages and the kind of borrowers it's best for. This page concludes with a glossary of terms describing different types of mortgage loans. First, 30-year fixed rate mortgage. The 30-year fixed rate mortgage is a home loan with an interest rate that's set for the entire 30-year term. Most popular home loan. See the pros and cons of the 30-year fixed rate mortgage. Your interest rate never changes. See the basics of fixed rate mortgages. Lower monthly payment than with shorter term loans. Best for home buyers who want the lower monthly payment that comes from stretching out prepayment over a long time. The fixed rate makes the payment predictable. A 30-year fixed offers flexibility to repay the loan faster by adding to monthly payments. Second, 15-year fixed rate mortgage. The 15-year fixed rate mortgage has an interest rate that remains the same over its 15-year term, often used for refinancing. See the pros and cons of the 15-year fixed rate mortgage. Interest rate is set for the life of the loan. Lower interest rate with longer term loans. Higher monthly payments than with 30-year loans with less total interest paid. Best for refinancers and home buyers who want to build equity and pay off the loan faster. Payments are predictable because the interest rate doesn't change. Because the borrower pays interest for fewer years, total interest payments are less. Adjustable rate mortgage. An adjustable rate mortgage is a home loan with an initial rate that fixed for a specified period then adjusts periodically. For example, a 5 by 1 ARM has an interest rate that is set for the first 5 years and then adjusts annually. See the pros and cons of adjustable rate mortgages. Initial teaser rate is lower than on most other loans, giving comparatively lower monthly payments at first. Initial rates can often be locked for 1, 5, 7, or 10 years. Best for home buyers who don't plan on having the mortgage for a long time or who believe interest rates will be lower in the future. For FHA mortgage. An FHA mortgage is a home loan insured by the Federal Housing Administration. FHA loans are backed by the government and designed to help borrowers of more modest means buy a home. See how FHA loans differ from conventional mortgages. Allows down payment as low as 3.5%. Credit scores as low as 500 can qualify. Learn more about the credit score needed by a house. Mortgage insurance premium payments are required. Fifth, VA mortgage. VA loans are mortgages backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs and are available to military service members and veterans. See how VA loans work and who qualifies. No down payment required, upfront VA funding fee required. See the year's VA funding fee chart. No mortgage insurance. Best for military qualified borrowers who appreciate a low interest rate and no down payment minimum. Sixth, USDA mortgage. USDA home loans are mortgages backed or issued by the US Department of Agriculture. See more about USDA loans and eligibility requirements. No down payment is required on most properties. Home improvement loans and grants are also available. Income limits and property value caps apply. Best for income qualified buyers in rural and some suburban areas who want a low or zero down payment. Jumbo mortgage. Jumbo home loans are mortgages above a certain dollar amount. Jumbo loan limits vary by country and are adjusted periodically. See this year's loan limits. Can have fixed or adjustable rates, often require a credit score of 700 or higher, usually require a down payment of 10% or more. Best for buyers of expensive homes and owners who want to refinance jumbo size mortgages. You can also try the Florida title loans. Interest-only mortgage. An interest-only mortgage requires payments only on the lender's interest charge. The loan balance or principal is not reduced during the interest-only payment period. Can be appropriate for borrowers who are disciplined enough to make periodic principal payments. Useful to home buyers who don't expect to remain in house for the long term. Borrowers will have to show lenders substantial assets or a proven ability to pay. As for borrowers with high monthly cash flow, a rising income, large cash saving, or an income that varies from month to month. Also, for those who receive large annual bonuses, they can use to pay down the principal balance. So, friends, I hope you like this video. And if you really like this video, then please give a like and do share this video if possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get all the new notification whenever I upload a new video. So, friends, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.